Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V8 doesn't last long enough, you are likely experiencing battery degradation, which is common over time as batteries lose their ability to hold a charge. If left unresolved, this issue can lead to inefficient cleaning and ultimately, your device may become unusable. The good news is, replacing the battery is a straightforward process that you can do at home with the right tools. For this repair, you will need a replacement battery, a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Begin by ensuring your Dyson V8 is turned off and unplugged from any charging source. Carefully remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and pulling it away from the main body. Next, locate the screws securing the battery compartment. These are typically found at the base of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws, taking care to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently pull the battery cover away from the main body. You'll see the battery connected by a couple of wires. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry the battery connector apart, making sure not to damage any surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old battery removed, take your new battery and connect it by aligning the connector properly and pressing it firmly until you hear a click. Replace the battery cover by sliding it back into place and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened but avoid over-tightening, as this can strip the screws. Reattach the dust canister by pushing it back into the main body until you hear it click into place. Now, plug in your Dyson V8 and allow it to charge fully before testing it out. To prevent this battery issue from recurring, ensure you regularly charge your Dyson fully before use and avoid letting it completely drain often, as this can shorten the battery's lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.